Little bit different for us today. I've got the sausage rolls from GREGGS that have been making the news recently. Vegan sausage rolls against meat sausage rolls. Let's see if these lot can actually taste the difference. Okay, Ben's first one up to try. Have you heard about the news about GREGGS vegan sausage rolls?
I haven't, no.
No, well, there's been an uproar this week about GREGGS vegan sausage rolls, so we're here to see if you can tell the difference, which one you like. So if you can try one of these, please.
Yeah.
One of them ones.
Is that the one you tell me which one?
Yeah, go on, get him round. Right, how was that?
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright.
Okay, if you can try that one, please. Oh, it's tense. It's like MasterChef, this.
It's the Basildon palate. It's a sophisticated one.
Okay. How was that one?
It was alright, it was alright.
What was the difference?
I'll say the first one was the vegan.
You say first one was a vegan?
I do, yeah.
Was the second one better, do you think?
No, do you know what? I feel like the first one was better.
The first one, you heard it here first. I can confirm you were correct. The first one was vegan, so it is the Basildon palate kicking in, and we've heard it here first. Ben votes for vegan.
Poshest meal I've had all week.
Tom Hawkridge is next. You've heard about the storm that the GREGGS vegan sausage roll is creating.
Yeah, I've heard.
Yeah, you've
I've
heard. Right, okay. If I'd like you to try this one first, please.
You just touched that.
No, I know. Well, you trust me. How's that?
Bit dry.
Bit dry.
Bit dry.
They've got a bit cold. I'd like you to try this one, please.
That one was a vegan one.
Okay.
Yeah. They're both the same, aren't
They were different. They were different.
Really?
But you're saying they're both the same? Is that
They both taste pretty similar.
Taste the same.
I'd say
What would you prefer?
the first one was the vegan one, though, wasn't
First one was a vegan.
it? Second one was non-vegan.
The second one's non-vegan. What would you prefer if I had to push you?
They're both alright.
Both all right? Both exactly the same? Right. Well, the first one was the meat one. Oh, we've got. I always love to do that. Well, the first one, we've shocked him. It's the meat one. Second one was the vegan one. And you have no preference over either?
No, they're both alright.
Okay. From GREGGS. We've got Steve here. Steve, have you heard about the uproar that the GREGGS have caused by creating the vegan sausage roll?
No, I haven't.
Where have you been? There is an uproar. I think I'm worried I've made up the uproar. Inner working. This is what we do for work. I will ask you to try this one, please. How is that?
It's alright.
Yeah.
Cold. Could have been warm. Could have been warm.
Oh, no, sorry. Can you try this one, please? Okay, getting his chewing on the mic. So, which one was vegan? Which one was meat?
That last one might have been vegan.
Last one was vegan, you think? And which one did you prefer?
The first one.
The first one.
Yeah.
It just tasted a bit better.
Yeah, it's nicer.
You were correct. You got it right. The last one was vegan.
I know my sausage rolls.
And you prefer the meat one.
I do, indeed.
Not going to be swayed.
No,
okay.
I will not be swayed.
There we go. Now we're here with Chris, who's going to take part in the GREGGS sausage roll challenge. Have you heard about the vegan sausage roll thing that's taking the world by storm?
I haven't heard about the vegan sausage roll
I
thing.
think it's just me.
I'm talking. No, I haven't. And to be honest, I'd seen the sausage rolls and I'd already eaten them before I even knew what this was about.
Oh, okay. We might include that. Thank you. Right, basically, there's a vegan sausage roll out now. Ooh.
Wow.
And we've got some sausage rolls and some vegan ones. So if you'd like to try this one, please, for me, Chris.
This one here.
Yes, that's one.
Oh.
Yep. Oh, just get involved. Okay. How is that?
Very nice.
Yeah, all right. Yeah. Okay. If you'd like to try this one, please.
What about that one?
Yeah, or that one. Yeah, fine. If you're going to be picky.
I'm good at that.
Is that a good one? Can you taste the difference between the first one and the second one that you're currently...
Not really, no.
No? And the third one? No.
I'm good.
Is there any difference?
No.
At all?
Uh-uh.
No. So you're not bothered by vegan or meat?
I don't care.
And finally, we have to end with the boss. Right, with the vegan sausage roll challenge. If you try this one, please. Yeah.
Fair enough.
We'll let you get through that. They've gone a little bit cold, I'll be honest.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
And then one of these.
You can ask me if I can taste the difference.
I am indeed going to ask you to taste the difference. How was that one? All right?
Good.
Good?
Right, yeah.
Good, okay.
No.
Can't taste the difference. Is there one better than the other, or
No.
much of a muchness?
I'd say so, Zach, yeah.
Okay. If I had to push you on what one was vegan,
I couldn't tell the difference.
I couldn't tell the difference.
What did you say?
Well, I know them. I know, but the first one you ate was the vegan one,
Yeah.
and the second one was the meaty one. There we go. No difference. We are vegan friendly here at Trade Price.
Vegan friendly.